Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on social media and do all of that, okay? Period. Well, just this bag. That's one. And then the Coke, I mistakenly bought 24 cans instead of 12. So, yeah. But anyway, let me pack. My avocado is on the floor, please. It fell out of the bag. But we don't have an island, which sucks because my parents' other place had an island. So right now we don't, and this is why everything is on the floor. But we plan on getting an island. So yeah. I think my hobby is looking homeless because why do you all always catch me looking like this? It's actually kind of insane. But I'm done clearing. Doing laundry. I'm not done doing laundry. There's still stuff in the washer and the dryer, but I'm done. I'm not done doing anything because I haven't fully unpacked because I don't like the way that closet is set up. It's just rags which are not very efficient, one of those words. So like I want to build a closet in there, and so I guess I'll wait for that when we build one so I can fully unpack because it's not efficient at all. So yeah, right now I'm about to go take a shower so I can start cooking. Let's go.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, in the dark room, would you trust it, I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really want
Hey y'all, good afternoon. Okay, so you guys can see I'm still in yesterday's shirt and in my bonnet. It's tough out here, okay. This is exactly what I didn't want about staying in the house. Like, I don't like the fact that I don't have anything to do. I mean, it's only like been a few days, which I should give myself grace for because I'm basically just relaxing, but I literally just been waking up late and sitting here watching TV. I've been kidding around, like making things neat. I just feel like I'm not doing much and I don't like it. But on Monday I'm back to the gym, so I'm excited about that. Like, I miss the gym so much. I haven't been for like a few weeks now, so I really can't wait to go back. And yeah, also I finally figured out how to edit. I knew how to take these videos off the camera into my laptop, but because of space and other things I didn't know how I was gonna edit, so I finally figured out figured it out last night, and I've been editing a video which should be up by tonight. No, tomorrow actually. And I'm excited because I've just been trying to figure it out. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, they're so cute. I'm obsessed. What? I am obsessed. This camera definitely needs a flashlight. Good morning. Today is Tuesday and I decided to vlog because I didn't vlog yesterday because you go outside. Let me fix the lighting. Because it goes time. From what? I don't know, but I'm gonna do my skincare and brush my teeth.
Plenty of champagne, cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
It is Myro.
Drink number
Oh, boss. No, say it again. Start over. That's really good. That's
I'm not saying it once. I'm not saying it again.
Uno.
Two.
Chipotle.
Chipotle. Love. No. Chicken.
Nope.
Pork.
Take a drink.
is here. This is just a piece of it, but it's here. This is so good. It actually tastes more like a ginger ale than it does taste like a... No, it actually tastes more like a ginger beer with less gas. I feel like we call it gas, but yeah. So this is like a probiotic botanicals plant fiber. It's like almost kombucha vibes, and we got different ones. So we tried the tropical punch yesterday. It didn't taste bad, but it's like soda isenang khasi. You get me? So this tastes like ginger beer without khasi edla. But it doesn't taste like ginger ale for me. Anyway, we went to the liquor store and we got this because my boyfriend likes this. We've been looking for it. He has been looking for it like for a few months now, I think. And we got it. As soon as I walked into the liquor store, I saw it and I was like, isn't this what you've been looking for? We didn't even go to the liquor store for it because we went to the liquor store because he's like, oh, you can get whatever you want, because he's not that picky today. What? And I was like, I want peanut butter whiskey, which is my favorite thing. And then I saw this, I was like, isn't this what you want? And then he decided to get 2 of them, and I didn't even get anything that I wanted, but it's actually really good. It's not bad at all. But don't try their ciders, don't try their like canned drinks. They're horrible. What they mean? What they mean?
Why you talk like this?
I don't know.
Why you talk like this?
I'm American now.
American. You don't be American.
Ooh. Did you hear what he said? Okay, so So we tried this restaurant that I've been meaning to try for a while. Even when I moved back to Chicago. And so I really hope it's good because Keith Lee rated it too. If you know Keith Lee, then you know it has to be good. So let's see. What is this? Is this pasta? I think it's pasta. So this is my boyfriend's meal. Definitely pasta. So this is his meal. I got a jerk chicken with mac and cheese and rasta bread. And this is rasta pasta. This is rasta pasta. Rasta pasta. It has its own explanation. If you know what rasta pasta is, then you know. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie. The bread tastes like you know, broodbare bread. It's very sweet, like normal compared to like normal bread I've had in America. It tastes like bread that you get in the ShopRite, or like full bread that you have to cut up yourself. This is what it looks like. I ate this part that has this part, obviously, but yeah, it tastes like ShopRite bread or like whole bread. I don't know what this is here, but anyway, ignore it. It's gonna be fine. I don't know why the lighting is so bad today. Let me turn off the lights. Period. I just came back from Starbucks with Katlego. We haven't seen each other since the time I dropped off her flowers when I came to visit my boyfriend. So it's been a couple of months, and now that I'm back here, we had to catch up, you know. What's happening? A lot is going on in my mind. I came back and we got a package, I think, yeah, and I want to open it. But look at what she got me. She got me chocolate and caramel. Ooh, the sun kissed USA and a card. Oh, that's so cute. Ooh, so cutie. Oh, that's so cute. Will you open up more? Oh, that's so cute. And then we went to Giant. Giant is like a grocery store. And guess what I got? This. Excuse me. Pardon me. I'm so excited. Kapapa. I bought like this brand has like international food and they have papa. This is Samp. I also got Samp. And I'm so excited. Like I always have chicken livers and pap. Period. Chocolate and caramel. Ooh. The sun kissed you, I said. Come on. The sun kissed you, I said. Ooh. Oh, guys, I don't think I showed you guys I don't think I showed you guys the island table that we were building. Let me show you. So this is it. It's kind of small, which I think is good. I think because I felt like a regular dining table would have took too much space. So I think it's great. Finally have stuff to put. A table to put stuff on, and the drawers, I don't understand why they look open there, and even like when you open them at the same time, right, and then close it, they don't close. Oh, it does now, but it wasn't like closing all the way. It would like get stuck at the bottom. But I did that. I built this thing. What do you mean? Also, I don't know what's with America and like sending, like, you know, when you buy furniture, they send it to you so you can make it yourself. Like, why don't they send furniture that's already built? Anyway, let me open this package and see what's inside. I know what's inside, but I just want to be sure. You come out. Ooh. Cutie. These are cute. I like you.